Welcome, here I've got Realme 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use the Camera Pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the Pro mode, call it also as an expert. So let's tap on it. And here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation option. So now we can manage the light of our picture. By using this slider and going to the right, we can make our photo more bright. By going to the left, we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameters, so there's no problem to go back to auto exposure compensation. Now let's move to the second button. Here we have letters AF from autofocus. By using this slider we can change them to MF to the manual focus. And now we can focusing easily like that. Of course we can easily go back to autofocus. So now let's tap on this button with a letter from the right and the letters again, change it from MF to AF. Now let's move to the center to WB button from white balance. Here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. By using this slider and going to the left, we can make our photo much colder, as you can see, more blue. And by going to the right, we can make it more orange, more warm. Of course, we can go back to the auto white balance by tapping on this A letter button from the right. Let's move to the next one option. Here we have the shutter speed, so we can control the time of taking picture. By using this slider and going to the left, we can make it shorter. The shortest is 1/8000 of seconds. So this is really short, and this should be definitely better to objects, for example in move, to frozen them at the picture with a good light. By going to the right, we can make the time of taking photo much longer. The longest here is 32 seconds. It's definitely better to objects that are stable. And we can easily go back to auto shutter speed by tapping on this button with a letter once again. Let's move to the last one option, the ISO. Here we can control camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100. By going to the right on this slider, we can make it more sensitive to 6 and 4000. So this is really wide spectrum, like this kind of camera. And of course, to go back to auto ISO, we have to tap on a letter button from the right. Now let's move on this settings bar and focus on the second from the left button. Here we can manage the lenses of this camera, and at the center here we have ultra wide lens. Let me draw your attention again on this settings bar. As you can see, the focusing is locked, so in ultra wide lens we have to stay on autofocus. We don't have ability to use this manually. Another tap to this button and let's move back to standard wide lens, and all of this is available again. At the center here also we have really cool option. By just one tap we can turn it on and another tap to turn it off. This is the RAW format, so when we save the pictures now, it should have the RAW format. This is really professional option because photographers in RAW format save more details and quality of the pictures, and I think this is really cool thing here. Now let's turn it off, and also let's have a look at the right side to this button with I letter. When we tap here, we can read about all of these settings and also learn from this. So this is really cool option from the device. Now let me use these settings to take a picture. So let's stay on ISO here, the shutter speed maybe here, white balance warmer, focusing, let's stay on the auto, and the exposure compensation a little bit brighter. To see the picture, let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. And that's all. I suggest you to making experiments with all of these settings and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.